Student, generally in our YouTube channel, we give you information related to the counseling process of UG, PG and the super specialty program. Generally in MBBS, PG medical, MDMS, super specialty admissions. But we will also keep you updated regarding different informations which is related to the different year students of PG and MBBS. Recently, there is an information has published by the Karnataka government related to the compulsory service for those students who has completed their PG from Karnataka, precisely from Rajiv Gandhi University and Health Science, or who has completed their PG in the few years back, or maybe up before 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, but who has not completed their compulsory rural service, which is their 1 year rural service bond. They have given a notice today only, that is 11th of March 2025. In today's video, I will keep you updated regarding the complete information regarding that. Student, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. If you want to get yourself updated regarding all this information, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So whenever we will upload any video, immediately you will be getting the notification. So let's start with the informations and the notifications. See, this notice has been published by the Commissionerate of Health and Family Welfare Services. In Bangalore, it is called this Arogya Soudha in Magdi Road. They have given a notice for the student, ideally, that who has passed out a PG diploma or PG degree in the year of 2025, that is this year, and enrolled under any quota, government, private, management or NRI, as the case may be. Means previously what happened, if the student would have taken admission in NRI quota or in the Q quota, they might get exempted from the this rural services. But here they have mentioned that they have to undergo this rural services. This notice says like that. Now, after successful completed a postgraduate diploma or degree, are required to complete 1 year compulsory service in government hospital in urban area of Karnataka. Candidates will be selected and posted based on the merit through an online counseling process. Yes, this is also an online counseling process, but it is not related to the selection of the course. Rather, it is selections of the compulsory service. Where you will be getting, which hospital you will be getting, it is completely related to that. Now, what this point is telling, like candidates who joined a postgraduate diploma or degree program in 2021-2022, means ideally were completing in the year of 2025 or earlier, have not completed their 1 year compulsory service in Karnataka, may fulfill their service obligation in government hospital located in an urban area of their choice, subject to available vacancies. If the vacancies are there in your choice area, these vacancies will be displayed during the online counseling process. Next, they have mentioned aforementioned candidates must participate in the online counseling process to select the government hospital or institution where they wish to undergo their compulsory service. The selection shall be based on the vacancies displayed during the counseling period. The selected candidates will be paid a stipend as per the post chosen by the candidate and according to the government order issued by the respective department. Now, how the counseling on online counseling will happen? Online counseling will be conducted based on the merit of the purpose of the posting of the candidates. There will be a link. This link is given here. You have to click in this link. Every candidate belonging to the government, private and management quota must register in this online counseling portal. Candidates selected for regular central or the state government service. See, suppose if you have got a government service, it might be central government service, it might be a state government service, then you shall be exempted from 1 year compulsory services, and verification of supporting documents is mandatory for such candidates. Okay, only that case you can exempt it from the 1 year compulsory services, provided you got a government job in central or the state government. Counselings will be conducted to fill the vacant seat available in the government hospital and the institution. Additionally, candidate will have to have the options of seeking exemptions from 1 year compulsory service. Candidate participating in the online counseling will have the flexibility to either select preferred location for 1 year compulsory service or apply for a merit-based exemption from the same. The online counseling system will then allocate the chosen service locations or exemption according to the candidate's merit. Therefore, it is advised that candidate also indicate preferred location to prevent confusions, as choosing only the exemption options may not guarantee exemption if merit requirements are not met. If a candidate is not granted an exemption from 1 year's compulsory service, they are obligated to fulfill this requirement at the location allocated to them during the counseling process. If this exemption not happen, then you have to provide the services, 1 year services. If the candidate either fail to attend the counseling or neglect to select a location during the counseling sessions, or if the candidate opt for exemption from 1 year compulsory service in the counseling but is not granted that exemption, the candidate will be allotted a random place of work through computerized process, failing which the competent authorities shall impose a penalty at the conclusions of the counseling. Now, what is the process of penalty? Now, here it is mentioned. The commissioner will levy a penalty in the following instances: like candidate who failed to attend the counseling. If the candidate failed to report to 1 year compulsory duty without a genuine reason within a stipulated time, candidate who without a genuine reason interrupt their service or more than 1 month midway, then they will levy a penalty. Now, the process of online option entry and the allotment. What I told you, they will be having the online process of the allotment of this service. Candidate need to select the department like medical education or health or family welfare. You have to select the district, you have to select the taluk, then hospital, all these things, college, community health center, taluk hospital, all these things from the choices given in the time of giving the options. In order of priority can be rearranged or deleted until the last date of the time. After the last date, no modifications of the deletion will be allowed. Candidates are advised to enter their priority or options irrespective of the number of vacancies shown at particular district of the institute. Candidate can enter maximum of 198 options from the existing vacancies. The allotment process will be based on the candidate's merit and the entered options and priorities. An illustration of the same, okay, that is there in Annexure 1. We'll also upload this complete PDF in the descriptions. You can also go through from the descriptions. Priority of the counseling, candidates, see here they have mentioned how they will give the priority in the time of the locations of the hospital. First priority will be given the candidates or their spouses or children with no available medical treatment at their place of posting. Suppose if someone is a patient, okay, in that case, if they are posted in an area where the proper medical facility is not there, then they will not be posted in that area. Cases of individual more than 40% disability are certified. Then cases of widows. So this is the priority. Cases of married couple who both spouses are in government servant or on 1 year compulsory service resident or postgraduate or their consideration of the alliance with the transfer guideline issued by the state government, then single parent, and last is the general cases. That is the priority. Okay, now there is an important point, that is general exemptions. What they are telling that students after completing PG, if they take admission in the higher educations, like if you take admissions in a fellowship, if you take admissions in DM or MCH courses, that's what they are telling, that suppose if you take admissions in NMC or RGUHS, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science recognized higher degree fellowship will be permitted to pursue the higher education after providing the valid documentary proof. However, after completion of the super specialty, what I was talking you, if you complete the DM or MCH, or if you do the fellowship, candidate must undergo 1 year compulsory service in the government hospital. Even though you are getting exempted for a certain time, but after completion of your super specialty or your fellowship, you have to complete this 1 year compulsory service. Women under maternity leave will be granted an exemption for late commencement of compulsory government service not beyond 1 year. That is there. There is a grievance racial email ID is mentioned. See, now the penalty is candidate who don't do that services. There is a penalty of 20 lakhs for postgraduate diploma and 25 lakhs for the MD/MS candidates. What penalty I told you, that there is a penalty if you are not participating properly in the counseling. Contact informations they have given, okay, and this is the notifications. What will be the notification has come today, announcement of the merit position, like that, registration. So you have to see the website what I mentioned, and you have to do the needful for your completing your rural service bond. I am giving the link of this PDF in the description, so you can go through that and you can do the needful. Hope this information is beneficial for you. So if you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel to get all this updated information. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. Thank you so much.